All right, so your friend had locks for a while, and when he cut them, they were green on the inside and smelled so bad, and how do you prevent that? So my best guess regarding that could have been that they didn't dry properly. So if you don't let them dry all the way, like after I wash mine, I have them in a microfiber towel for a while, and then I let them air dry throughout the day, and I make sure that they are completely dry before I go to bed. I also have what's called a hood dryer, I think is what they call it. I got it from Dolly Locks, check the link in my bio. So you put your locks up in there, and then you attach your blow dryer to the end of it, and it helps dry them quicker. Or you can use a regular blow dryer, whatever. Either way, you want to make sure that they are completely dry so that you can prevent mold. Because you think about it, if they're, all stuck in one spot and they get a little swampy and they don't dry, and you do that over and over and over, that can grow mold in your lock. Another thing could be not using the correct products. So like a lot of people use wax in their lock, and wax doesn't wash out. It just kind of builds up in there. So I stick to either pure aloe vera gel, and then all of my products that I use are Dolly Locks products. Their shampoo is made specifically for locks so that there isn't any buildup or residue or anything like that. And then I use their conditioning oil, which also helps prevent dry scalps. I do live in Arizona and it's pretty dry out here. So the conditioning oil helps hydrate and revitalize your locks and your scalp. And another stigma that is attached to locks is that they are dirty and they are stinky and they are smelly because some people don't wash them. And that can be true. If you don't wash them and you don't take proper care of them, they're gonna get gross, just like anything else. So as long as you're washing them with the correct products, highly recommend Dolly Lock. That's like all I use. And just make sure that after you wash them, that you let them dry completely. Hope that helps.